Hello sir, patulong. Ano po ba magandang sagot dito? What is your edge among applicants? I'm preparing myself po sir, baka may quota this year. Nagtatrabaho po ako ngayon sa isang fast food chain. Okay, sasagutin po natin ito para naman makatulong. Kadalasan po sinasagot ng ibang aplikante dito ay tulad ng I am dedicated person, a fast learner, friendly, hardworking, etc. etc. Which are common po na naririnig sa mga aplikante during interview. Hindi po nakikita ang pagiging totoong tao mo dito bilang aplikante kung iyan ang isasagot mo dito. So ngayon, sir, ano po ba dapat isasagot ko dito kung mag-a-apply ako sa PNP, BFP, or BGMP? So ito po yon. Since nagtatanong ka po, ay ibibase ko po ang sagot ko dito kung paano po ako mag-isip. Ang ma-advise ko po ay dapat sasagutan mo ito base sa iyong naging experience na trabaho tulad ng pagiging service crew mo sa isang fast food chain. At ito na po ang sagot ng edge mo bilang isang fast food chain service crew. Good morning, sir, or let's say good afternoon, sir. My edge among PNP applicants is based on my learning and past experience, which helped shape me for who I am today. In my previous job, sir, I consistently worked beyond the expected hours of duty. Sometimes I was paid for the extra work or extra time. Sometimes I was not, but I accepted it because my priority was to provide food for my family and to help my parents. There were times, sir, that I was disrespected by my customers. But I choose to remain calm and patient. I use tolerance and self-control to prevent situations from getting worse because I genuinely love my job and valued professionalism. This dedication, discipline, and willingness, sir, to serve the others despite of difficulties are the same qualities I will bring in the Philippine National Police. I understand that dedication and selfless service are essential in the police work, and I'm fully committed to serving the people with integrity, respect, and compassion. Once again, maging totoo ka lang talaga sa iyong mga sagot at pwede mong gamitin yung mga experience mo sa mga previous job mo dahil doon na i-impress ang mga panelis. Yun lamang po at sana ay meron kang natutunan. God bless everyone!